how to automatically share Instagram stories to Facebook. So first is to launch the Instagram application. Then tap your profile icon, which is found on the bottom right corner. Then tap the three horizontal lines or the menu icon found on the top right corner. Then select Account Center. Scroll down until you find Accounts. Go to Accounts and tap on Add Accounts. Now select Add Facebook Account. Now once you see your Facebook account here, tap on Continue. And then tap Yes. Then go back. And under Connected Experiences, select Sharing Across Profiles. And then select your Instagram account. And then under Automatically Share, turn on the toggle button beside your Instagram story. So with this, every time you post in your Instagram story will be automatically shared in your Facebook story. And so that is how you automatically share Instagram stories to Facebook. Thank you and have a great day.